So this is Cardiff Fork Road and Big Cottonwood Canyon Road. Locked. Don't see any restrooms. Let me see, what is this? Oh yeah, that's a restroom here. Okay. There's another restroom here. No, it's closed for repair. So that's the trail. I'm freezing. Let's get it started. Looks like there's no dogs allowed in this park. It's beautiful. You can hear the river. Ow. So almost right away, you're gonna see this "Do Not Fall" sign. So I'm gonna follow it. See what happens. Okay, another sign. Okay, so "Do Not Fall." Let's take this way and see what happens. So it looks like we went the right way. It seems like we keep going up and up and up. So now it seems like you're going down, but we're going up previously, so I'm not sure what this little house is. Maybe another restroom. Let's check it out. Donut Falls still going up. This looks like another parking area. I wonder how you get here. Let me see. It's locked. Oh, there you go. There's two of the restrooms. You have to go, but so where are we? Explosives on the mountain. Oh, okay. Anyways. Okay guys. Kind of out of breath here. Don't know why. I saw this and I got nervous because I thought I got lost, but I didn't. It keeps going. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I'm almost there. I'm getting kind of tired. The second half is not as the ground is not as nice. It's a lot of rocks, so make sure you wear close-toe shoes. I think we're almost here. You can hear the water. Oh, watch out here. Alright, I need to get down there. Alright. Alright, see you in a few. I went as high as I could. I can't go anymore, it's just too steep. I wanted to go all the way there, but I can't. I was able not to get wet, so now I just have to see the journey down there. I'm just bummed I can't go anymore. I'm done. I was able not to get wet the whole way out there, but I wanted to take a picture, so I went into a very tough spot, so I got all wet on my shoes, but the water isn't too bad. But yeah, now I'll be on my way back. I saw a couple of people, but they didn't even come down, so yeah, just me here today. Awesome. So it's already 8:30 on my way back, and this is the second spot that I showed you at the beginning. It looks like it's almost full. There's only 2 parking spots left, and it's only 8:30. So keep that in mind. Overall, this is a pretty easy trail. I didn't get lost at all. There were signs everywhere. If you follow the trail sign, should be fine. At the beginning it says Donut Falls Trail, And then once you start getting there, it just says trail. Speaking of which, so I'm on my way back, and this is a sign, see? So you won't get lost, I promise. It's just only one way to get there. So you'll be fine. You got this. Yay, I can see the parking lot. Getting closer. Alright, it's currently 9 o'clock. The parking lot doesn't look too bad. Still the plenty spaces. There's another trail there. I'm gonna go check it out for you guys. So I'm done. I'm down in my car, and it's 9 o'clock. I started about 7:10 a.m. I'm all done. The parking lot is about 25% full. It's currently October 2nd, so that may be another factor. So summer, there were 2 restrooms, one at the beginning, one in the middle, on the second parking lot. There's no water, so bring your own. The trail is pretty easy. It's beautiful out here. Bring coastal shoes, and yeah, have fun. Now I'm going to go to Lake Blanche Trail. Let's see how that goes. It's on my way back. So see you guys soon. Bye.